Good morning, friends. Today we will draw the lab exercise 9.2 from the new lab manual. So here this redraw the given assembly of plumber block with the main dimension tolerance, geometrical tolerance and surface roughness. So here whatever the tolerances while drawing we are not going to consider, but when you give the dimension we need to give the tolerances, mention the tolerances. So for this, suppose this is 44.5 and 43. So basic size is 44. Here also basic size is 95. We will not consider dimensions where it is given. Here 246. So here, how to start drawing and from where to start drawing, it is important. Okay. So first we will draw this M12 hexagonal headed lock nut. Okay. So this is a lock nut, and here this thickness is 70 by 8. Okay, so we need to start the calculation. So D is 12 into 7 by D by 8, 10.5. So this is around 10.5 nut thickness. So we'll assume this as half, or we can assume this 5. It is assumption. Sometimes it is 0.88 times as per the standard types of standards. So we'll assume it 5, 10.5. Now this is not a W, 1.5 times D. This is a distance between corner, not faces. So we need to calculate that. And after that, we need to assume this as a thickness. The fillet radius are 3. So this is 3, and then we can draw this vertical line, and then this part is very easy to draw. So we'll draw the half portion, and then we'll make the mirror with this radius. So let us start, and we will draw the x-axis, and we will shift this line. Y-axis, we will shift this line half of 95. So as usual, select ISO A3 name plot style, go to the title block, and take this center and double click on XXX and write your ID, owner, then date, write today's date, title, lab exercise LE hash 9.2. Okay, and now go to the model, and here the dimensions is important, so we'll change the dimension style, DIM style, and we'll click modify as you use usually 1 1 1 0. This arrow size is important, 3 mark, make it 1 1 and 1. Then text, make it 3. It is very important, align with dimension line, above, center, right to left, and mark is 1. Feet, primary unit, take a 2 decimal places. Okay, close, and lateral will change the dimension for tolerances. Accordingly, we change for tolerances. Now first I will draw the y-axis. Make a ortho, escape. Now I'll offset this 47, half of 95, 47.5. Enter. This side we'll draw only half. Now here I will draw the screw, nut and bolt stud. So construction as usual in lab exercise 2.3. I need to draw the circle with the radius as a W. So this is a M12. So this is a M12. So small d is 0.85, capital D, the minor diameter, major diameter is 12, then W is equal to 1.5 times D, that is 12 into 1.5, 18. Okay, so this is 18, W is 18, so I will draw the circle with 18 as a diameter. So radius is 9, enter. So I will draw the hexagon, polygon, number of sides 6, enter. This is a center. Inscribe or circumscribe, it is very important. Circumscribe, and I need like this position, not like this position, so I need like this position. So this distance between those two flat is W. Now the distance between corner is different. So I will project, so I will make a color line yellow, and I will draw the line from each point so that I can draw the nut and bolt, and then so we'll change the color line by layer. Now I will draw the line, offset this line 70 by 8. So what is the 70 by 8? It is 10.5. So I will offset this line 10.5. So first make a line from this point, and we will draw the foot chamfer. So take it. So this angle is 30. Okay. So any length you can take 5. Tab, angle is 30. Enter. Escape. Then draw the line from this point, horizontal line, make a orthon up to here, and we can join this. Escape. Now I will break this line in 3 parts. So click on break, modify, break at point, select this line, break it here. Again repeat command, select this line and break it here. So we have 3 lines. With the midpoint we will draw the arc. So click on 3-point arc, and now click it here, the midpoint on this line, and here. Again repeat command, enter. From this point, here is a midpoint, and here. Again enter. From this point, midpoint is here, and the end point. Now we need to delete this line. So in mid-lab exam, most of the students keep this line. So we'll delete this, and most of the students doesn't trim that line inside. So we need to trim this line here. There is no line here. This no. Okay, I will delete this, and I will draw from here. Now this part we will make it copy and mirror for the 2 lines. So draw the line. There is a 1 line. Then we can move this, and we will offset this 5, what we assume 5.5 or 5, offset 5 point. Okay, 5. Enter. This line die. So this line will be common for the small nut and the bigger nut. As I told, this line is already there. This line is already there. No need to select. So copy from this point. Copy selection from this point and keep it here. Then here opposite. Then I will make this mirror. Select mirror about this line. Do you want to delete? No. And copy selection from this point and keep it here. Escape. Now we'll delete this line. Now trim this. And join these points. So change these yellow lines to bilayer line. Escape. This line is of no use. Delete and then trim. Here, 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 here. Most of the students forget this to trim this, and the mouse will be reduced again for that. So this line is noted. So as you draw this line, so this line will extend and this radius is 3. So I will move towards left 3 and then come down 15. Okay, so we'll start from that point. Okay, make it like this. Escape and extend this line. Now from this point I will draw a 3, radius 3, enter, and then come down 15, enter, escape. Now I will trim that line and delete this. And there is a fillet of 3. You can make it now or later, no problem. Now, so here we reach, then we will draw, this gap is 3, so we'll draw the horizontal line and offset it 3. So from this line, draw the horizontal line, any length, enter, offset 3, enter, this line down. Okay. Now here I will draw the circles, or from here we'll come down, we'll offset this line 50. So we'll get the base. So this line 50, offset 50, enter. Now, yes, what is this line now? This is 246 by 2, that is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Half of that. Okay, 146 by 2 is 1, 2, 3. So I'll offset this line, center line, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I will get the total length, and then 20. I will draw the horizontal line, then offset 3 and offset 20. Now offset this line 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, so this line will extend up to that point. Extend, yes. Offset this 20 and trim it. Offset 20, enter, up, and trim this line. Now I will draw the horizon from this point up to here. Enter. So this part I draw. Now we'll offset this 20 here. This is done. Now we'll offset this 3 and 55 here, 55 here. Or draw a line from this 3, enter, and 55 this side and join. Now 37. We'll offset this line 37 and there is a hole of diameter 28. Here it is given in the top view. So 14 radius means 14 here, center line 14 here. Offset this center line 14, 14. First 37. So offset this line 37, 37, enter here. Then offset 14, enter this side and this side. This now we'll draw these two circles. So 26, 32, and 40. So 26, 32, 40. 3 circles. Where is the same axis line? Axis line is this line is the axis line. So this line is axis line. So circle draw from this point. The radius is 26, 32, 26, enter, enter, 32, enter, enter, 40, 40. Now here we will extend this line. Extend this line. Yes. Escape. And now we will trim from this circle here. So this line is up to the 32 radius. So I will trim this line and this 32 radius, select it and trim this side. So there is a horizontal line. So we'll offset center line 44 up and then 4 down and then 15 here, 15 here. So this line offset 44, offset 44, enter, up. So from this point 15 this side, enter, escape. I will delete this line now. Yes. Now 4 down, offset 4 down. Yes. And 6. There is a hole. 6 here, 6 here. From this line 6, enter, and here. Escape. Then what is the hole of this? Diameter 5, 12. So 2.5, 2.5. up to from this circle to the last circle. So offset this line 2.5, enter this side, no need this side. So I will trim it. Delete this line. Now here up to the circle 30. So trim this, no need, and draw the line from here up to circle. Step, trim. This no need to extend. Trim. Yes, this line we need to extend. Put it joining here. Now this circle is not available here, so we'll trim this bigger circle after this joining up to here. Okay, we'll trim up to this point. So trim, trim, then select this. All fillet radius R13. Okay, so we'll make the fillet here R13, R13, R13. Here also fillet R13. Here no need. So fillet radius 3R3, and now internal threads with stud and internal thread representation. Okay, so there is a hole of 14 through which a stud of 12 goes. Small d and this is capital D, and chamfer we can make it. So small d is 0.8512, 0.85 into 12, 10.2. So this is 10.2. Capital D is 12. We'll offset this line 7, 7 in this part only. So offset 7, enter here and here. So these two lines are considered only in between this. Rest we will trim it to avoid the confusion. Yes. Now I will delete the center line. First I will copy this. Okay. I will draw the line from here to here little, and then I will delete the center line to avoid the confusion. So this line, take little up. Now we'll offset this in 6, this side and this side. This line 5.1 for internal thread and here. So these two lines are thread representation which will not show in the nut. Okay, so I trim So here we'll draw the closing line and 45 jumper here, 45 jumper here with this length. So click on chamfer, angle, chamfer length on first line from this point to this point. Specify the chamfer angle 45, enter. Select this line and this line. Repeat command, enter. Select this line and this line and join this 45 chamfer, and after chamfer delete this. This is a thread representation. So I will take the thread run out here, as I mentioned here, thread run out. Okay, so it is assumption. This length is assumed. So as a thread run out, not too much, not too short. So I will draw the thread run out here now. I will draw any line from this point to this point, only for thread. And now we'll make this line here with a ortho of, and this angle is 30 with axis. So means 60 axis. So we can make any length. Suppose phi tab angle is 60 from x-axis. Escape. Now I will trim this line. This is a thread representation for the nuts. And now here we need to draw the threads. Again same, I will copy this and paste it here with reverse direction. And this chamfer down. One more chamfer here. So select this, select this, select this. Right click, copy selection from this. And where is the thread now? Thread is starting from this part. So any distance we can assume. Little down, and I will make it mirror about this line. Delete, yes. Move this little down, it is going up. It doesn't matter. Move little down. Yes. And then we'll trim this. Now this is thread run out, and this is a thread representation. Now here we'll make a jumper. We can make this line little down. Okay. From here we'll make a horizontal line. Extend this line, here. We'll make a 150 angle line approximately here, and make this mirror this line, enter. About this, no. Now trim this. Now I will copy this part. Right click, copy selection from this point, come down, paste it here, paste it here, escape. Now make this mirror. mirror about this line. Delete, yes. Again, make this mirror about this line, and yes. This delete. Internal thread. Now we start the top view. So for top view, arrange the dimensions. So we'll project this line, and this will be like this line with this. So there is a misalignment in the drawing. So this line belongs to this. Then this line, these two lines belongs to this. If you look from top view, you can see clearly this nut and bolt here. So these two lines are missing, hidden lines. So no problem. This line here, the circle is 28. So 7, 7, and for this line, so it belongs to this line. So let us start. First, we will draw the x-axis and y-axis, and we will offset. So we'll draw one horizontal line. We'll offset this 65, and center line 22.5 up and 25 by 22.5 down. So let us start. So first of all, we'll draw the line. Yeah, see, no need to offset. So we can come from here and we draw and just only escape. So this line, offset it 6, 5, enter, down. So this is a center line. So we'll take from this escape. See here, this line I projected from this point. See. So now we'll just make it green and come down. Now I will trim this. Now we'll draw the center line. Up to here, or we can project from here 45, 22.5, half of that. We'll offset this up and down 22.5, enter, up, and this down. So this is a center line of any length. Length is not important. And see, from here I did this and trim this. If it is here, you can trim it. Now from here I will draw one center line, enter, and draw the circle of radius 7. Now we will take it down with a 3 chamfer, this line, from here. Line, you can go with the green, just like this, or just draw it and trim it. So I will offset this 5 down. This line 5 down, offset it, offset 5, enter, this down and this up. Now there is a chamfer of length 1 by 45. 1 by 45. So height is 1 and angle is 45. So we'll make that chamfer. So click on chamfer, angle. This is the chamfer length on the first line. 1, angle is 45. Enter. So select this corner. Yes. Same repeat command here. No need to change anything. By default is there. And now draw these two lines. Drawing half. So we finish this. Now this line belongs to this circle and another hidden for this. So there is a one line missing here, and this is throughout fold. This is radius 26 throughout. From here it is missing. So now we'll draw the line from this circle, come down, click it here. So this circle here belongs to 45. This is 45 and 5. After 5 they start. So here it will start. Trim. And this line will be throughout. It is as it is a whole. So trim this from top. Two circles. 12, 5 and 13 is 15. So this is 15. Circle, diameter 5, enter, enter, diameter 12, enter, enter, radius 15. So as per the given drawing, as it is redrawn, so we'll break this outer circle and we'll keep these two circles because it is a redraw. Whether all lines are shown or not shown is not important, as we will draw as it is. There is a one fillet here of radius 3, here, here, here 3, 4 fillets. Okay. So click on fillet. Radius check. Yeah, it is 3, but we don't know. I will enter it again. And one more fillet. So we'll make this. So as I told you in the beginning, we need to check the center line, hidden line. So low, hit H for hidden. Okay. Load, hit C for center. Okay. Close. Now I will select this line and this line as a center line and right click, property, line type scale, check 0.5, no change, check 10, yeah, it's look good, escape, or 12, yeah, almost done. So we'll make a mirror. Now select this all, circle is already there. So I selected all, everything without circle. In the right part, even x-axis, I will select this. I click on mirror and this, no. Okay, so as shown in the drawing, so this is again center line. With property 12, this I can take it down. This I will take it down. I will move little this down. Move for giving the dimensions. We'll move this little down. Yes. Escape, center line was not moved. Right click, move from this point to this point. Escape. Yeah, this is a good place for giving the dimension. This line I need to extend it. Now I will copy this no need, delete, and this move from this point. I will keep it here. Escape here or there, doesn't matter. But redraw as it is. So there are two circles inside, capital D and small d, as I last explained here. Or no need again. So here we have already this two. Okay. So this is a thread representation. So I don't want to make complicated. We will give the directly dimension, no projection. So circle 12 means 6. Enter, enter 5.1. Copy and paste it here. Is it hidden? This is a stud with external thread, and this is a stud hole with internal thread on the block. Okay. Both sides it is available, but it is overlapping. So to clearly understand, so I will make it hidden. Check the properties. Right click, property, and we'll put it here 12. Yes. Escape. Now these two circles are shown here hidden as in given drawing. So from center line it looks hidden on 2. So I will break this circle and make it hidden. Better trim it and redraw. Arc, start end radius, C, enter. This is a start and this is a start point and end point is this because anti-clockwise. Enter. This will be hidden and the property is hatch. I will make this part hatch and here different hatch. So click on hatch. Ninety. Now we start the dimensions with the tolerance and these values. So 3700 and as it is. Don't miss any one dimension. Okay. So this 20, whatever given as it is, we will draw the dimensions. Dimension from this point to this point 20. So better to make it so 50 from this to this. And the same location we will keep it 37. There is a problem in hatch, so I need to delete that hatch. Delete and we'll make it hatch here, not inside. And the direction is 90. Dimension, select from here to here and keep it 37. Now select yellow, escape, select yellow and start giving dimension again. Ninety 15. Yeah, this dimension I didn't reach this dimension and I assume while drawing, so it's not so important, but we will mention as they told as it is given the drawing. So 15 is the thread length from this as 15.2, doesn't matter. Yes, now we'll go for dimensioning tolerances. So as mentioned, for 95 there is a tolerance, and this is very important for your final exam. So 95 upper limit, lower limit. So select this, right click and properties. So here, as we modified before, this is general. Now this is a specific, line and arrows, text, no need, weight, no need, primary unit, no need. Now alternating dimensions, no need. Tolerances. Tolerances alignment, tolerances display, yes. Is it bilateral? It is a symmetric, no. Deviation, yes. Limits, no. Basic, no. So we'll give this. So this is a deviation, and lower limit is 0, upper limit is 0.12. Enter. Yes. So for 95 done. Now this is 44. Escape. Now click it here, 44, and select and go back down again. Primary unit, no. Tolerances, yes. And this is limit. Limit 44. Here 0.5 and 0.5 lower limit. See, it is coming. Now click outside and escape. Yes, this looks good. Now this is 28 and it looks C. So select this and text. Go to text. I need to write override C, capital C. Now 37 here for 246. I didn't give this dimension, so we'll make this dimension. Click on linear from this point to this point and 246. This is M12. Now this select this and go to the text and write here override dimension M12. M12. Tolerance is finish. Now next is a leader. Annotation. Yes. Ortho off. Click it here and type M12. Enter. Escape. Yes. Here another leader 1 into 45. Again enter. Select it here. Write it here. 1 multiply x 45. Enter. Escape. Now next. So on this full it is mentioned, by deleting the dimension it is mentioned the geometrical tolerance. We'll give the geometrical tolerance. So give the dimensions from here to here. Property dimension text. override, keep, and here we make a geometrical tolerance. So type TOL tolerance, and now mention perpendicular 0.25a. So symbol is perpendicularity. Tolerance is 0.25. First tolerance 0.25, 0.25, and datum is A. So there is no second tolerance, there is no datum, so no need height, no need, just keep it here. Yes. Now make a leader line for that. Yeah, you can mention like this, and here there is a tolerance parallel 0, so TOL mention here parallelism 0.02C, 0.02, and datum is C. Okay, and keep it here. Leader from here to here. Escape. Now I will move this little down. Now surface roughness symbol. So surface roughness symbol and datum 1, 2. 1 and 2. So I will draw outside. Click on line. Line 3, enter. Again 3, enter. 6, 6, enter. So from this point we'll draw the line or draw, and this is I don't know length, say tab, angle is known, so angle is 60, so 90 plus 30 is 120, so take 10, tab, 90 plus 30, 120, escape. Now from this point, okay, tab, 120, enter. And now I will offset this line 3, offset 3. So now it is ready, trim. This is 6, 336. Then total height is 6. This is incline, vertically 6, and this is 60 degrees, and this is joining. So we copy this, copy selection from this point where I need to put it on 20. So I need to put it here 20. Then I need to put it here for 75. Yes. Only 2 symbols are there. Yes. So we'll write the text there. Text, and here 0.05. 0.75. Enter. Escape. The height is too much. Okay, later on. So here 1.6. Copy, paste here and edit 1.6. Escape. Now datum. Last is datum. Datum. So it is mentioned on the 20 line. And I will use the same leader. Click it here. Make our phone up and write EA, capital E. Enter, escape. Okay. Now this datum I need to change what I ask. Right click, property. So text frame I want. Yes. Then text frame is done. Then arrow goes and arrows. Arrow here close field. No, I want inverted triangle. Close field inverted datum triangle. No, it is close field. Field. Arrow head size. It's okay. Enter. Now pick. Escape. Yes, correct. Now I will make it detailed. Horizontal. Vertical. Yes. And now make it straight. Find any missing dimensions and try to complete. From my side, I finish 100%. So if any missing, you need to do it and save this drawing as your ID lab exercise 9.1. So save file, your ID, file as AutoCAD, and by snipping tool, keep it under your ID, keep it here, and snipping tool, SNI, use snipping tool and select from this. Click on new and click it from. It includes everything. Yes. Here you will find your idea and this drawing, and copy this or save this snipping tool and same file name, your ID, and upload this to file image and AutoCAD file on Blackboard. Thank you very much.